Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on tutorials point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can reset your password on your Snapchat. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up the Snapchat app. Now, once the home page of Snapchat opens up on your screen, on the bottom of your screen you'll see two options, login and sign up. Go ahead and click on the login option. After you click on the login option, you'll be guided to the login menu. Now, on the middle of your screen, you'll see the forgot your password option, which is located just below the password text field. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on the forgot your password option, a pop-up will appear on your screen. On that pop-up, two options will be given to you, via phone or via email. Now, the option that you choose is totally relied on you. Now, for this video, I'm going to show you by clicking on the via email option. Now, as you can see, after I click on the via email option, Snapchat is telling me to go to a browser. So let's open up Chrome. After I select a browser, Snapchat will take me to its website. Now on this website, I'll have to fill in my email address here and then click on the submit button. Once I click on the submit button, and if I have filled in the email address correctly, a link or a code will be sent to my email address, which will help me to reset my password on Snapchat. I hope this video helped you to reset your password on Snapchat. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.